Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can learn different type of languages from an app. So for that you have to go to the Play Store, then search Duolingo. Here it is, and click on install. Wait a little bit, then get started. Which language you want to learn, that you have to pick from here. I'm selecting random ones. I want to learn German, so I'm selecting German. It's loading. So how did you can give anything here with search. Why are you learning? Give anything, a travel, and continue. Your goal, it's on you how you want to pick your goal. I'm giving 10 minutes, so just give it and continue. Then they will ask you some questions, that what's the pronunciation milk in German. So as I picked German, so if you pick English, they will ask you English questions, English words. So that's it guys, you can learn any kind of language from here. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, share and subscribe and support our channel. Thank you guys.